Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to collect additional information about your client in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. First, let's see this. By the way, this website is built using Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my appointment calendar. Let's see the current information I collect about my clients. At this time, I only collect the email address, full name, and the country. And to collect additional information from this page, simply log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites from this left sidebar. On this account, I have multiple websites. This exact website is this one. Click on Manage Store to go straight to the store management area. Now click on Settings from the left and select Checkout. From this page below Custom Options, as you can see, you can ask for or collect the client phone number at the checkout, and you can also add custom field to the checkout. Let's collect the referral code, for example, and you can make this custom field required or not. For a referral code, I don't think it's a good idea to make it required or mandatory. Now let's save these changes. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's save these changes. And now let's refresh this page. Try to book an appointment again. And now on this checkout page, I started collecting the phone number and an additional information or a custom information, which is the referral code. And this is how to collect additional information about your clients in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.